Hey there, so here's my situation. I have a section on my homepage for locations and a component that's connected to a CMS collection list, and I have several cards. And I want to use this same exact card design for the section I have right below it for coaches. So you can see I already have a CMS collection list on the page, and I want to have the same exact card design as I have in location for the coaches. But watch what happens when I select the top level card. So I'm going to go to the collection list wrapper and the collection item, and I'm going to select the card that's right below the collection item. And I'm going to copy it to my clipboard using Command C or Control C. And once it's copied to my clipboard, I'm going to go down to this collection item, and I'm going to try pasting it in to the coaches collection list. So I'm going to hit Command V or Control V. And when I do that, it says dynamic elements can only be moved within the same collection list or collection page, and it blocks me from pasting it in. Well, the reason this is happening is because all of the elements in these cards are connected to the locations CMS collection. So in order to copy this card component from one collection list to another, we need to unbind all of the CMS items it's bound to. So the way you can do that is I'm going to select the entire collection list wrapper, and I'm going to copy it. And then I can paste it in directly below the collection list wrapper I have for coaches. So I'll hit Command V, and now I have that locations collection list directly below the coaches. And I could delete the original one I had for coaches because I won't need it anymore. And now in order to switch this over to coaches, I need to unbind it from the locations collection list. So if I was to hit this cog icon, you can see that it's locked and I can't change it. So in order to unlock this and remove the icon, I need to remove the bindings and disconnect from all of the elements that it's currently connected to. So that's the link, the image, the heading, and the description. So I'll hit the image, and I'll disconnect the property. I can hit the heading. I'll disconnect the property. I'll select the paragraph. I'll disconnect. And then I'll select the link as well. And I'll disconnect. And now with all of the elements disconnected from that collection list, I can go back up to the collection list wrapper, and then it will allow me to switch the CMS collection. So now I can select coaches, and I could connect it to the coaches items in the CMS. Now, if you don't want to do this step each and every time you want to duplicate a collection list card design from one collection list to another, you can use the Finsweet Chrome extension. As you can see, I have it right here. So I'll put the link in the description, and you can add it to your Chrome, and it will give you the extension for Designer, and it gives you much more than just being able to unbind CMS collections. You can look at folders, rearrange interactions, and many more. But if I go back into Designer, what I could do is I can click on that Chrome extension, and I can go to Unbind CMS. And now for this to work, you want to make sure you're either on the collection list wrapper or the collection list of the collection list that you want to unbind. And then you can go to the Chrome extension, Unbind CMS, and you can see the target to unbind. It's selected. I can unbind. It will reload Designer. And once Designer reloads, I can scroll down and everything is unbound, and I could select a different collection list to connect it to. So there you go. Those are two quick ways you could unbind a CMS collection list in Webflow. Hope this helps in your project. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.